same objective. Next weekend's my birthday. All right, and we're going to have a test on Monday. Now, since the last quiz, that's what we're going to go over. It's the square root stuff with the factor trees, and then Pythagorean theorem stuff, okay? So, simplifying radicals assignment, I just put in the grade book. I gave some of them back to you, but most of y'all have not turned this in. That doesn't mean you didn't start it, but you want to finish it and turn it in, hopefully today, would be great, okay? So this assignment and then today's assignment is the content of your test. And for now, it's scheduled for Monday, but we'll see if we might push it back to Tuesday. Like I said, we'll see. Now, let's do this warm-up. A and B, what do you call those two sides? There's a name for them. Legs, because they're next to 90. 2, like you have 2 legs, okay? So what's A in this picture? Okay, 6 can be A, so B will be what? Yeah, the missing bottom side, I'm going to call it X because it's missing. Does everyone understand where A and B are? Next to the 90. Second thing, the C, the hypotenuse, is always across from 90. Okay, so C is 12. So if you can label it, you're halfway there. Now let's set it up. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So I'm going to put A, which is 6 squared, plus B, which is X squared, equals C, which is 12 squared. Okay? I want everyone to see the most common error. I want you all to look up here, please. Look. The most common error I see is people assuming A and B are both the numbers. Does everyone see A and B are not both the numbers here? Okay? You have the missing leg, put an X there. Let's do the squaring. Okay? And again, I see in other classes people not using their yellow calculators. Please just use your yellow calculators. Okay? 6 squared is 6 times 6, 36. And then 12 squared, 12 times 12 is 144. Okay, you can get those numbers easily in your calculator. Now, what do I do now to get X by itself? Okay, that 36 is next to X. It's got to go away. So when I'm missing a leg, I'm going to have to do this step where I subtract. So subtract 36, subtract 36. X squared equals, and then 144 minus 36 is 108. Okay? Now, 108 is not the answer. I still need to get rid of the little 2, the little squared. How do I get rid of a squared? Square root. Okay? So when you're doing these, your last step, square root, square root. And now I'm left with just X equals square root of 108. So getting to here is great. Now the next steps are breaking it down. So 108 is even. We're going to try the smallest prime number, which is 2, divided by 2. 2 times 54, okay? Again, you can divide them in your calculator to help you reduce. 54 is even. 2 times 27. 27 is not even, so we'll try 3, and 3 does work. 3 times what is 27? 9 is good, yep. And then 9 is 3 times 3. Okay, and again, do I have pairs? Pair of 2, pair of 3. So my final answer, the pairs go out, the loners stay in. Pair is 2 and 3. What do I do with those? Multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. Loner 3 stays on the inside. Okay? You got to be able to, using Pythagorean theorem, label A, B, C, plug in your values, square things, solve for the variable, and if you need to, reduce the radical, simplified radical form. Okay? Now, this is your assignment on it. You got some time today. Okay? I want you to try to finish this. If you do, then you want to really think about, have you done simplifying radicals, okay? These things are due. I want you to be ready for the next test, so make sure you do these assignments. All right, we're going to get started now.